Hello. So this is a quick tour for SparkReceipt mobile application, the best rated mobile app for small business owners, entrepreneurs, freelancers to automate the financial tasks we all hate. Yes. And this is what you see when you log in. You see your expenses. There you can add your receipts and invoices. For income side, you can add your cash register reports. We are adding our reports from Stripe, for example, so that we see how healthy our business is, how much revenues we are generating compared to the expenses we have. And then once you have added those, you can add your bank statement. Ideally do that from the web application so you can extract the bank statement transactions, and receipts and invoices are then matched automatically for your bank statement. And then you can also add other documents such as agreements and keep those in safe as well. Adding a receipt is super simple. Just take the picture and our AI does the categorization for you, and you can see it is super fast. It is already categorized and everything is OCR'd correctly. So there's the merchant name. Everything is correct as always. I can also add payment method and also tags if I want to follow certain projects with this. And our AI is built in a way that it categorizes the receipts and invoices based on the products that there are on receipts. So it is not just based on the merchant name or place of purchase, which is kind of like the industry standard today. So we have a more in-depth layer in the AI on that sense. And then you can also see kind of like summary based on expenses, based on categories. And you can also create reports from mobile application. You can share a live link to someone needed. You can create PDF, CSV, or Excel reports. Try those out. They are very beautiful Excel reports. If Excel reports can be beautiful, they are. And from the sidebar, I can modify my document categories. I can add linked accounts. So for example, other companies that I need to add materials, I can do that from here as well. I can modify payment methods and other materials. And from email documents, I can copy my personal SparkReceipt inbound address. So when I copy this address and when I send receipts or emails to that address, they are automatically visible here in SparkReceipt mobile application. So that is how you send email receipts or invoices to SparkReceipt. Just copy the email address from the sidebar. And please do, you can also reach out to us from the sidebar or leave a review or request new features. But this is kind of like the basic functionalities in the mobile application explained in brief. Try it out and let us know what you think. Okay, thanks. Bye.
Welcome to SparkReceipt, the easiest way for your business to manage all receipts and documents. In this video, we'll show you the powerful features of SparkReceipt, a perfect receipt scanner, expense tracker, and document manager. Let's dive right in. To start, let's see how easy it is to scan your receipts using our mobile app. Just take a picture, or upload a photo. Crop the receipt if needed. Let the app process your receipt, and watch as it accurately identifies the merchant, date, total, taxes, and most importantly, categorizes the expense correctly. Now, let's switch to the web app. Here, the month view in the Documents tab offers a comprehensive overview of your receipts and separates them in expenses and income sections. You can manage the receipts scanned with the mobile app here in the web app too. Moving on to the Expenses and Income tab. This view breaks down your expenses and income, providing a clear picture of your finances. In the Account and Users tab, you can easily invite new members to collaborate or add an accountant to your account. Next, want to customize categories? No problem. In the Income and Expenses categories section, you can easily modify predefined categories or add your very own, tailoring the system to your specific needs. Moving on, you can download all your data in the month view. Just click on Download, and export the files in an archive, Excel, CSV, or PDF. Let's quickly generate a PDF report. Thanks for watching. Sign up to SparkReceipt, and download the SparkReceipt app today.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check lifetime deal link in the description below.